This is a very well designed hummingbird feeder with hand-blown like glass, 5 very attractive feeding ports, leak-proof. This like perch where hummingbirds can relax. This is large capacity, 28 ounce, so there's no need to refill like frequently. And also it's very easy to clean. This is a mix of sugar and water. So let's fill this in with our nectar water and hang this in the backyard garden. It should be enough. And then turn it around. An ant mound here, then you put water in here. Make sure that ants won't crawl into your bird feeder. It has like 5 feeding ports, and they're so very attractive to hummingbirds because they are red. This comes in like few designs and colors, so if you are interested in this particular design, this is rising red. The link is down below. Our gorgeous hummingbird feeder. I'm hanging this here in the backyard garden so I can see it, but look at these gorgeous flowers, the purple and the orange. And then I have to duck in here because it's like super low. I can see the feeder here in our dining area, so I'll wait until I see hummingbirds feeding on it, and then I'll record another video. I'll give you an update. If you are interested in getting a hummingbird feeder, the link is down below for this one.